If you are in search of a new recipe to try, look no further than this white cake with raspberry filling and whipped cream frosting. Perfect for any event, this cake is packed full of delicious flavor. Your guests will be coming back for seconds, as they won't be able to get enough of this recipe. With straightforward simple steps, this recipe requires no prior baking experience. It is a delicious cake that your friends and family will love. It makes a great dessert for summer barbecues or dinner parties. What you need to follow these instructions. Ingredients: 2 cups cake flour, sifted. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 cup sugar, divided in half. 2 tablespoons whole milk. 1 cup heavy cream. 2 teaspoons baking powder. For large egg whites, room temperature. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. 1/4 teaspoon pure almond extract. 1½ cups raspberries. 2/3 cup raspberry jam. For the whipped cream frosting. 4 cups heavy cream. 1/4 cup confectioner's sugar. ½ teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Line the 8-inch round pans with parchment paper, and then grease them with cooking spray. Step 2. In a medium bowl, whisk together the sifted cake flour, salt, and ½ cup of sugar. Set the mix aside. Step 3. In a large bowl, combine the heavy cream, milk, baking powder, and egg whites. Then, whisk in the vanilla extract, almond extract, and ½ cup of sugar. Step 4. Using a rubber spatula, fold the flour mixture into the wet ingredients. Then, carefully mix in the raspberries. Step 5. Evenly pour the cake batter into the 3 pans. Bake the cakes for 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in middle comes out clean. Allow the cakes to cool in the pans for 30 minutes, before transferring to a wire rack to cool. Step 6. Using an electric mixer with a whisk, beat the heavy cream, confectioner's sugar, and vanilla extract in a large bowl. Beat the mixture at medium speed for around 3 minutes, until soft peaks begin to form. Step 7. Spread a layer of raspberry jam on the bottom cake. Top with the second cake and spread another layer of raspberry jam. Add the third cake layer and cover the top and sides of the cake with the whipped cream frosting. Raspberry cream cake filling tips and tricks. Since this cake contains fresh whipped cream frosting, it is best served the day of. However, any leftovers can be stored in the fridge in an airtight container for 1 to 2 days. When serving the cake, avoid keeping it out in the heat or direct sunlight. The whipped cream frosting will melt easily. The individual cake layers can be frozen for up to 6 months. Wrap each layer of the cake in plastic wrap, and then aluminum foil. When ready to use, allow the cake layers to thaw at room temperature for 2 hours or in the fridge overnight. Then add your jam filling and whipped cream frosting. Serve the cake immediately. Before adding the raspberries to the batter, thoroughly wash and dry them. It is important to dry them off well because any excess moisture can mess up the batter. To help your whipped cream frosting reach a nice consistency, place the bowl and whisk it in the fridge for 15 minutes before making. The cold will help the whipped cream form easier. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.